Okay, go ahead.
Open yours first. Go ahead, sis.
See what mine is. Oh, wait. I'm gonna find it. Can't wait.
Oh, really? What do you have? Silent Night. That'll be a good one for tonight we can do.
So open yours, Bubba.
Bubba's got thermal shirt. We know how much Bubba likes thermal shirts. And new sleeping pants. Not that Bubba needs those.
Here's just Bubba.
See, Mary? I always use new sleeping pants.
Oh, come on, Abby.
What about Abby? She not get over with you?
No.
That's why we brought a present.
Alright, so we open one present.
What?
The kids get to open one present. So you open your one, right? So now we're going to read the story, and we'll go to bed, and we'll wait for Santa to bring the rest of the presents, okay?
No.
Take your trash and put it in the garbage can, Riley.
What?
Say Merry Christmas, everybody.
What?
Time for a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New and a Happy New Year and a Happy New Year.
Very good.